Jovi.
I ain't gonna lie, you know.
That's my boy Jovi. Jovi, that's you, son. That's you in a minute, my boy.
We get
Sunni Seeds, what's up? It's been a while. It's your boy B Shores.
Alright, y'all. We about to head on up north to the snowstorm.
To the snow.
To the snow. We'll let y'all know how it is. You gotta go. What's this little two-step you doing? You gotta go back. Don't let you get the bus down. Slide today. Come on, slide today real quick.
We almost there.
Oh, shit. Come on!
I'm glad you find this fun.
Maybe should I back up some?
Hold on. Wait right here.
I got the brake on. So we're stuck. And we about to get some fireboard to get us out. And this is the first place we came to get some fish. So, let's see. They're about to put this under the wheel so we can get and roll up out of here. You will survive up here.
Right here, that when she roll forward.
Probably. You know, I'm kind of from Ohio.
You swear you from Cincinnati. All right, y'all ready?
Yep.
Okay, yeah. Tell. Come on. We are not moving.
Get your ass up there.
Go, go.
I'm going!
Get your ass up there. Get your big ass.
We moving.
Now we on the hill now. Alright, hold on.
Girl, we f***ing stuck.
I was like, why are they still on the same
Yeah. Ask her how. Hey, how is it getting to the street? On the street of the house?
How is it?
Yeah.
The street's terrible. Like it's snow everywhere. And then hi Trey. And
What
then you can only park on one side of it.
Okay.
So there's like one decent spot that you all should be able to. I don't know. You got the truck. That you might be able to
No,
squeeze
we
in.
don't. We are in the Cadillac stuck.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah. Okay.
Stuck.
All right, hold tight.
We stuck
You
right
don't
now.
have a shovel?
No. And I'm about to. Ready?
Yeah.
We stuck right now.
Oh, are you driving?
Yeah, everybody else out pushing. Can't get out. We drove up in the entryway and got stuck.
To the chicken spot?
Yep. Just they
You eat
pushing.
your food?
No, we didn't even go in the entrance yet.
Oh no.
We got out.
I really do this. I'm really from Ohio.
So I got us out. We got out. And I got stuck again because I quit pushing the gas.
Yeah, I just need, that's.
Because what about the girl?
I quit pushing the gas and I got us stuck again.
Yeah.
Me. So, Sunny sees our first place in Columbus. We got stuck. And the reason we don't have the Tahoe is because, the reason we don't have the Tahoe is because the Tahoe is getting the engine done. And we had to ride the Cadillac because our Airbnb people would not cancel for us, even though it was a severe weather storm level 3. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put the Airbnb stuff in here. So when you come to Columbus, do not stay here. These people are not lovely. They do not care about your well-being at all. So they're scraping it out with the ice scraper. And I'm about to get Amazon to send us a shovel right now. I'll let y'all know once we get out. We made it out! Made it out the gunk.
What you talking about? Who ain't from Ohio? Who ain't from Ohio?
All for some fish and chicken. Made it out the gunk.
I gotta change my shoe.
Made it out the gunk.
Gutter
unlocked.
for real.
It's unlocked.
Oh. Woo.
Because them shoes would have been sold. And we're stuck again. We make it safe, you guys, our Airbnb, but we're stuck again. Like that. Yep. So we'll show you guys when we get in. Oh yeah, Carl found a shovel. Shout out to Veronica.
IcyHot, baby, Columbus, Ohio. You see them lined up. And making sure they sign that waiver to say if you break your neck, it ain't their fault. You said what?
We ain't let that snow stop us.
Yeah, we in here, boy. That snow ain't stop us, man. We had to push the car all out the moon. Let me tell y'all, I wasn't happy about that. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Nigga was pissed. But we here though. Big shouts to Ronnie B. She, you know what I'm saying, got us here safely, you know what I mean?
Man, an hour ago.
I know, look, I admitted to being here, it's all good. Y'all ready? Be short. Look at that boy.